This may be changed into 10 marks actually. Out of 15 to 10 marks, this become 10 marks. We will write for 25 marks, we convert to 10 marks. Clear? MCQ is 13 marks. Then we have to upload 3 questions. 4 marks questions you have to upload. Write and upload, scan and upload, or photo I can take, image like this upload. 14 question, 15 question, 16 question. Or single upload, maybe 3 uploads tomorrow only we know. Or you can make a single file or you can upload. Getting or not? So it's checking that. Like this assignment, how we are uploading, same story.
Sir, it should be completed in the time of
Yeah.
class, sir.
You have to.
Should we do before the class or in the class, sir?
In the class, before class, it won't open question paper.
Okay, sir.
And your video should be on. If your video are off also, we don't give, we can remove the 0 marks awarded. We check all videos one by one, one by one. Suddenly, if any video off means what, that also we don't consider your exam. You should be in front of the video. You have to write exam on particular time. Exactly on time it will open question paper. On time it will off. You cannot attempt more than one time also. Once it close means what, you cannot touch that paper. Clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I just joined the class. When is the max exam day?
That is maybe next second day order actually. You don't receive any exam timetable. When is next our second? That is what is today? Today is day order 4. Second day order only we have 2 hours class. You know, when is our second day?
Monday.
Monday, I think so. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Monday.
Yes, sir.
Monday we have 12:30 to 2:15 class. You know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
12:30 to 1:20 examination.
Okay, sir.
What is your number, sir? New join 82. Huh? Somebody told new join. What is this, Arun? Number? This number? Now, we go for the maximum minimum for the 2 variables. Already maximum minimum in school level you have studied. How we will do test maximum minimum? This is 2 variable story, I will tell you. But single variable already in your plus 2 level or intermediate, sometime, somewhere you are done. How you will do, tell me? Y is equal to f of x means what you will do? Find f dash x equal to 0. Correct or not?
F double dash X.
F double dash x, you can find f dash x is equal to 0 means you will get some point. Then f double
That
dash
point you have to
that point you
substitute.
can substitute in f double dash x. If f double dash x is less than 0 means what you will say?
Max.
Yes. Function attains maximum at this point. F double dash x is greater
Than
means
0.
what?
Minimum.
Greater than minima. So here also same story. They will listen first actually working rule. Given f of xy, find fx and equal to 0, fy equal to 0. What is fx meaning? Fx means what?
The X.
Dou f by dou x. Fy means
The Y.
dou f by dou y.
The
Find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y equal to 0. You make a bunch of points called extreme points. You will get bunch of points. Next, what you will do? Now, Actually, in partial differentiation, you know the notations. Phone பண்ணி இப்போ கொடுத்தேன் அதே இல்லப்பா 10 for x பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Same class. Maths
So you can find fxx and fyy. Actually, generally in partial differentiation they will tell.
That's the camera. Using the camera that is there.
That is only YouTube channel. Okay. Fx by fy, suppose f of xy z means what? Fx is called p. Fy is called q. Okay, fx dou f by dou x is called notation is what? P. Dou f by dou y is called notation q. Then fxx. Fxx is called r. Fxy is called s. Fyy is equal to p. This notation you can remember. Maybe it may be useful in third semester also. In partial differentiation, full one book is there that third semester fully will deal with partial differentiation. You may have fourth semester also numerical methods, mechanical engineers. So generally they will call fx is equal to p, fy is equal to q, fxx is equal to r, fxy is r, st. Fxy is equal to s, fyy is equal to t. If you want, you can note down. Noted? Copy it, sir. First, what you will do? F of xy will be in
Yes,
your
sir.
hand. F of xy will be in your hand. Find fx is equal to fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0. You will get a bunch of points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, so on, xn, yn. Then you can find rt minus s square. Means what? Fxx into fyy minus fxy whole square. Second year. Find rt minus s square. Fxx into fyy into f of xy whole square you can find out. Clear? Copy it.
Yes, sir.
Find rt minus s square if shall I copy it?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Second is what? Find rt minus s square if rt minus s square greater than 0 is what? Function attains either maxima or minima. So rt minus s square guarantee greater than 0 means further I will go investigate to and go inside. Clear? So fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0, you will get bunch of points. Keeping in your hand that points, find rt minus s square. All points you can substitute in that rt minus s square. If rt minus s square is greater than 0 at not all points. Some points may be satisfied, some points not satisfied. It's not satisfied, forget about which points are satisfying. Then function attains either maxima or minima at reaching or not. Which points are rt minus s square greater than 0? At that points my function attains either maxima or minima. Clear? That clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So okay. Once if rt minus s square greater than 0 means what? Door open. Now, once it satisfies this what again you can check. If in second case 1 if fxx is greater than 0 and rt minus x square also greater than 0. Great means what? Function attains minima at x1, y1. Rt minus x square greater than 0 and fxx is greater than 0 means what? Function attains minimum at x1, y1. What is minimum? Minimum is f of x1, y1. So see, you will get 10 points means what? In at 10 points also you will get minimum, but minimum value is unique. Value is unique. Reaching or not? Maybe here also minimum, here also minimum, here also minimum. Value of minimum is unique. Value of minimum 10 means what? Here also 10, here also 10, here also 10, here also 10. Reaching or not?
Yes, sir.
Next, case 2. Rt minus x square guarantee greater than 0 if fxx or fyy. If fxx greater than 0 means what? Obviously fyy also greater than 0. No need, don't worry. If fxx is greater than 0 means what? Obviously fyy also greater than 0 will get. Then fxx is less than 0 means what? Function attains maximum at x1, y1. What is the max? Maximum is what? F of x1, y1. So means what? What is the procedure? They will go f of xy, find fx is equal to 0, fy equal to 0, equal to 0, you will get bunch of points. All points you can keep in mind. Then you can prepare rt minus s square value. If rt minus s square is greater than 0 means what? Function attains either maxima or minimum. Then if once if rt minus s square greater than 0 means what? Check again. Fxx is greater than 0 means what? Function attains minimum at x1, y1. What is the minimum means what? F of x1, y1. Then rt minus s square is greater than 0, fxx is less than 0. Not only fxx, if you want fyy also you can check, same you will get. Fxx is less than 0 means what? Function attains maximum. Less means maximum, great means minimum. But rt minus s square is always greater than 0. That should be remembered. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Copy down fast.
आगे पैम्पर्ड ही नहीं छोड़ती। अरे खेलने के बाद प्लास्टिक निकाल देंगे। प्लास्टिक नो जुगाड़
Dhruv Chauhan, mute your mic. Okay, no problem. Clear? Next. So, for finding maximum minimum, fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0, you will get bunch of points, record extreme points. Then, rt minus s square is greater than 0 means function attains either maxima or minima. Once if you decide either maxima or minima means check whether exactly you should tell what is the where it is maximum or minimum. Maximum where you will get fxx is greater than 0 is minimum, fxx is less than 0 is maximum. So this is the way. Next case, suppose 40 minus s square less than 0 at some points. Then function attains so RT minus s square is less than 0 means what? Function attains neither maxima nor minima. No maximum, no minimum. These points are called, at what points are actually? These points are called saddle points. These points are called saddle points. Clear?
Sir, are these also points of inflection?
That is not different. That is third derivative is not required. Only maximum minimum only.
Okay, sir.
These are saddle points. These points are neither maximum nor minimum. Point of inflection, what you will do? Third degree is not equal to 0, something you will do. Remember or not? Third derivative.
Yes, sir.
It's two variable we can't actually. Maybe here in this different name they may use. Clear? So case 1 is what? If RT minus s square greater than 0 means what? Function attains either maximum or minima. Maximum means what? R is less than 0. Sorry, minimum means R is greater than 0. Next case is what? If RT minus s square is less than 0, some points means what? Function attains in these points neither maxima nor minima. These points are called saddle points. Right? Any problem? Clear? Say
Yes,
yes
sir.
or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, case 4. RT minus s square is equal to 0 means what? We go for further investigation that is not invariant inverse. We cannot do this. So, we require
So,
yes.
sir, all of these are there in YouTube channel.
Yeah. I think Panchnath where I prepared, I think so. But you can have and lively available now. You can do.
No, sir, to like see once again and
You should attend class, you know.
yes, sir, attending only.
Any doubt? Now you see, we can do the small problem. Now tell me, f of xy they will do. What you will do first step is what? Tell me. Anyone speak out? Fx you can find out. Equal to 0, fy equal to 0, you will get bunch of points. Keep that points all in our hand. Then what you will do? Rt minus s square. What is Rt means what? Fxx into fyy minus f of xy whole square. Prepare. Then each point you can substitute in there. Which points are Rt minus s square greater than 0? You can say the door will open first door. Particular points you can take and go inside. Then if R is less than 0 means minimum, you can say what? So less means maximum. What is the maximum is f of x1 y1. Greater than is what? Minimum. Then what is the minimum is what? F of x1 y1. But maximum value, minimum value is unique value. You may get in different positions you will get. Value of minimum is same. Here also minimum, here also minimum, here also minimum, here also minimum. Say everywhere and minimum. But value of minimum is same. Different points I will get. So 10 points I will get minimum value at 10 points. But value of minimum is unique value. So that you can keep in mind. Clear? Shalaba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Copy everyone. But Rt minus s square is less than 0 means what? The points are name is what? Maybe MCQ questions they may get at least. Starting points, you can remember. Neither maximum nor minimum. Okay. Discuss the maximum and minimum of. Discuss the maximum and minimum of x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. Now, who is my f of xy now? Now, my first step is what? Find fx equal to 0, find fy equal to 0. Fx equal to 0 implies means what? 2x is equal to 0. So x is equal to what?
-3.
Minus 3. Then fy equal to 0 implies y is equal to what? Sorry, 2y is equal to 0 implies
Y is equal to 2.
so 2 cannot be 0, y is 0. Now what is my point? Point is what?
-3, 0.
Yes, because in only 1 point, don't expect always you will get 1 point. Because second degree I got 1 point. Next problem I will do, I will get 9 points. All cases I will discuss. So basic problem starting we are taking very simple problem. Don't confuse. Now point is what? Okay. Now what is my fxx I want to find out? What is my fxx?
2, sir.
Very good. Fyy?
Same 2.
So this is R, this is T and fxy?
0, sir.
0. Very good. Now, whatever may be fxx because numerical value, whatever point you can take, this is always positive or not. Whatever point you can take, fxx is always positive or not.
Yes, yes.
Whatever point you can take, because already in my hand minus 3 comma 0 only. Whatever value you can take, it's always positive. Now, okay. Up here, clear, copy it. Copied or not? Now, RT minus x square you can present.
Four, sir.
Shall I copy it? Copied or not?
Yes, sir. Copied, sir.
Don't put greater than 0, less than 0. You have to find the value, then you can decide. So my first bit, okay, happily I entered. RT minus x square greater than 0 is related to this point. I will write. Now what is R? R at minus 3 comma 0 is what? Less than 0 or greater than 0? What is R value? fxx.
2, sir.
Greater than 0.
Greater-
Whatever may be greater than 0, but I want to tell this point is in my hand, I want to tell at this point like this. So, RT minus x square also greater than 0, R also greater than 0. So, function attains what?
Minima.
But you can write if you want, if I write before this. Function attains either maxima or minima. Then R is greater than 0. Then
Minimum.
function attains minimum at where? Now function f minimum is what? What is the minimum value? Tell me. Substitute f of xy, then substitute minus 3 comma 0. What is my f of xy?
Zero,
X
sir.
of
F
x,
of
right?
x, y,
X
0.
square plus 5.
What is the value substituted actually? What will you get? X square 9 6x, huh? 6x means minus 12 plus 12, huh? No, minus 18 plus 12. What is the value? What is the value?
Minus 6.
Minus,
Minus 18 plus 12, no, sir.
minus 18, huh? Yes, x square is
9 minus 18 plus 12.
minus 3 square, y square 0 plus 6x, huh?
The 3s are 3.
Plus 12. So what is the value? 3. Minimum is 3. Where? X minus 3 comma 0. This is the conclusion. Clear? Because only one point you got minimum. Don't worry, next problem I will do. Bunch of points I may have in my hand. I will discuss where is the minimum, where is the maximum, where is the saddle point, everything I will tell you. Just you can copy it all. Next problem, if you want, you can try. Or next class, we can continue. Next class, we can't, maybe in examination, we will have. Clear? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Find the maximum or minimum value of the function. You will get so many points easy. Try this, otherwise I will do.
Sir, please move, sir.
Huh? What is fx? Tell me.
4x minus 2x, sir. 2x. Sorry.
4x minus
No, sir. 2x. 2x.
2x. Hey, check again.
Sir, 4x minus 4x cube.
Ah, very good. Fy. Correct. Now fx equal to 0, what you get? Now how many points you will get? Tell me.
4.
80 now. X value 0 plus 1 minus 1. Y value 0 plus 1 minus 1. Combine. Because point means I need always x comma y. X value should be first value always, there is no doubt. First value will give the x value, second value will give the y value. Don't change that is. Then you can combine combinations you can find with x. If you start with 0 means how many points you get? 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 minus 1. If you start with plus 1 means what? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. If you start with minus 1 means what? Minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. How many points are there? How many points are there?
9, sir.
So all points you can check RT minus S square. What will happen you can tell me. I will do next class. I will stop here. Then come on. What is 71?
Present, sir.
Huh? 71?
Present, sir.
72?
Present, sir.
73?
Present, sir.
74?
Present, sir.
75? 75? Not good. 76? Not very good. 77? 78?
Present, sir.
78?
Present, sir.
79? Tell your number and tell me, sir. 80?
Present, sir.
81? 82? 83?
83 present, sir.
84?
84, sir.
85?
Present, sir.
86? 87? 88? 82 friends and you will join in this. 89.
Sir, 79%, sir.
89. 90.
90 present, sir.
91.
91 present, sir.
92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
95. 96.
Present, sir.
90.
96 present, sir.
90.
96 present, sir.
95.
No, sir. 96, 96.
97. 98.
Present, sir. 98 present, sir. 98.
99.
99 present, sir.
For 95 present, sir.
95%. 100.
Present, sir.
101.
Present, sir.
101. 102.
101 present, sir.
102.
present, sir. 102.
103.
Present, sir.
104.
Present, sir.
105.
Present, sir.
106. 107.
Present.
108.
Present, sir.
109.
Present, sir.
110.
Present, sir.
111.
Present, sir.
112.
Present, sir.
113.
Present, sir.
114. 115.
Present, sir.
116.
Present, sir.
116 is last number. Any number is there after 116? No. Then 5. Who is that? Then 5401 series 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12, 13.
Sir, 89 present, sir.
What?
89 present.
Oh, 6 present, sir. 6.
13.
Sir, 106.
13
106
present.
present. 106 present, sir. 106.
13.
13 present, sir.
14. 15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18.
Present.
Don't put in chat box actually. I'm taking 1 hour class. Can't you do 5 seconds? 18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21. 22.
Present, sir.
23.
Yes, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26. Not there, I think so.
Present,
27.
26
26 is there. Okay, 27 is not there. 28. 28 is last number.
So, 106 present. You have marked me absent.
116 I am not option place. 114 I given.
Sir, 106. 106. 106.
106.
Yes, sir.
See,
So
options
97
are-
also present, sir.
Huh?
97.
97. What are you doing when I'm calling? Then 75, 76, 77, 81, 82, 86, 87, 140. Then 5401 series is 12, 14, 21. Correct? Huh? Any chat box messages? sir, can you?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.